Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma presentation. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Think of each slide as a separate frame. You can set your frame dimensions to common presentation sizes, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard widescreen. This ensures your content looks great on any display. Organize your content logically across these frames, making sure each slide conveys a single, clear message. When designing, leverage Figma's powerful features. Create reusable components for elements like headers, footers, and buttons to maintain consistency across all slides. Auto layout is your best friend for dynamic spacing and alignment, saving you valuable time. Integrate high-resolution images and scalable vector graphics to keep your presentation sharp. Remember to establish a clear visual hierarchy, guiding your audience's eyes through your content effortlessly. To make your presentation truly engaging, add interactivity. Switch to prototype mode to connect your frames, creating a seamless navigation flow. You can add interactive elements such as clickable buttons or hotspots that lead to different slides or external links. Experiment with various transition effects like Instant, Dissolve, or Smart Animate to enhance the user experience. Always test your prototype extensively to ensure all interactions work as intended before presenting. Once your presentation is complete, it's time to share it. Enter presentation mode directly within Figma for a full-screen, immersive experience. You can easily share a view-only link with your audience, allowing them to navigate through your presentation at their own pace. For offline access, export individual slides as high-quality images or a multi-page PDF document. Figma also enables real-time collaboration, so your team can work together seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.